Ever thought of owning a hotel without the work that comes with it? Savoy Hotel Capital Town lets you earn passive income, completely hassle-free. Here's how it works. You own a hotel unit and earn a share of the hotel's total revenue. No managing, no leasing, no maintenance worries. Megaworld Hotels and Resorts takes care of everything, from daily operations to utilities and upkeep. You earn, they manage, and the benefits don't stop there. As an investor, you enjoy exclusive perks. Free stays across Megaworld hotels, up to 30 nights a year. Priority access to select hotel services. Year-round gym access. Special discounts on dining and more. All while your investment works quietly in the background. Savoy Hotel Capital Town is the first ever 4-star hotel in the city of San Fernando, right in Pampanga's thriving tourism and commercial hub. Smart investment, passive income, worry-free living. Be a hotel unit owner today.